everyone, how are you doing? Today we're going to talk about a pretty fun topic that brings me joy and happiness. I get this question a lot. How can I actually make people like me? I actually had this doubt for many years when I was a kid. If you were Mr. or Miss Popularity, you may not have suffered from this problem, but I know a lot of people, regardless of gender, regardless of nationality, we have, at some point, we all have had this experience. How can I make this person like me? What is wrong with me? I think this is a commonality that we share as human beings. There will be times that you might be in a new work environment, you might be in a social setting that you feel like you just don't fit in. And then you have this other group of people that are just so charming. They walk into the room without knowing anyone, and all of a sudden, 2 minutes later, they know everyone. Like, how did that happen? And I'm still at the point where hi, my name is Anna. Or you just keep looking and observing and see who would be the right person to approach without getting rejected. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I say this is actually a funny topic to talk about, because we've all shared this experience at one point or another. So how do we actually make people like us? More often than not, we create all this fears inside us. But what if they don't respond? What if they don't want to talk to me? Then it will be super awkward. Then why would I put myself in this situation? It's all this internal voice that is scaring you from taking the first step. However, think about a time that you just go whatever, I'm just gonna do it. Maybe because you have to, maybe because you wanted to. There will be some negative ones. There will be some people that are just jerks or a-hole. But there are also instances that people did respond. Am I right? I would like to believe that people are friendly and nice in nature. If we were to approach people in a friendly manner, the world is going to welcome you with open arms. It doesn't have to be like a horror movie. Don't overdo and over-imagine the situation, because we often amplify our fears into something that is so terrible so that it convinces us not to do it. But in reality, it's not that difficult. If you're a shy person, you might begin with a smile and then maybe a nod, right? Just to acknowledge each other's existence and just start the conversation with something very casual, right? Don't need to be nervous. Just calm yourself down, because he or she might feel just as nervous as you. One thing that I've heard, and I think is extremely powerful, is that whatever that you want, we need to be willing to give it first. Who am I to be in the position to ask for something from others if I'm not willing to give it first? What do I mean by that? If I want people to like me, I first need to like them. But Anna, I want to know them. I really do. Yes. Well, let's take a few steps back. Do you actually like them? Think of a superstar, think of a famous person that you admire, right? Imagine that this person is right in front of you now. It can be Brad Pitt, it can be Angelina Jolie, it can be Stephen Curry. I love Stephen Curry. If this person was to stand right in front of you now, are you gonna say hi? I bet you will. I would. If Brad Pitt is gonna appear right in front of me now, I'm totally going to say hi. I want to tell him, I want to show him that I like him, right? It's that kind of energy, right? If you want other people to like you, you need to first show them and let them know. At least introduce yourself, right? Introduce yourself, be friendly, and If you do genuinely like this person and want to get to know this person, not because of whatever motives you have, not because you need to make however many contacts in a networking event, then you'll be surprised the kind of energy that you're going to get back, the kind of people that you're going to know, the kind of relationships that you're going to build. It's the attitude that you put out. Put down your phone, just look around. You don't have to approach anyone yet. Try to smile. I don't want to stare. I'll try to control myself not to stare. But keep a smiley face. Smile at people that you make eye contact with. Give them a nod. Perhaps other people will approach you. Try that with any setting. It could be university friends, it could be co-workers, it could be your neighbors, it could be strangers. You'll be super surprised with what you're going to get back just by doing this simple step. Alright, I hope this was helpful. Go do it and have some fun. Smile, enjoy the process. For those of you that have not subscribed, shared my video, or please do so. It really gives me a huge boost of confidence and motivation to continue what I'm doing. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next episode. I'm Anna. Bye.